Today is Thursday, week 16. We're doing Thai this week. We have a pork Thai curry served over some rice. So for the curry, what we have is a little bit of olive oil, garlic, this is mashed, red curry paste. You can use green curry paste or any other paste that you want or you like. I happen to have red curry. A little bit of fish sauce, stock, ginger, a little bit of sugar, turmeric, lemon juice. These are pickled garlic, lemon and lime rinds cut into julienne for garnish, coconut milk and pork. So this is 1 pound of pork. Very quick, very simple recipe. Let's start cooking. We have a pan heating over medium-low heat. We'll add the olive oil to this. I tend to use olive oil for my cooking. If you want to use any vegetable oil, canola oil or any white oil, that's perfectly fine. I'll add the crushed garlic to this and cook it till this is golden. It's starting to turn a little golden, you can see. We'll add the curry paste to this. Lower the heat so that it doesn't burn. We'll add the coconut milk. We'll turn the heat up and let this cook till it is a little thicker. So a couple of minutes. We'll add the pork and keep cooking it till the pork is done, and then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. This should not take much time because the pork is very thinly sliced. Let it come to a boil and then give it a couple of minutes and the pork should be cooked. Pork is cooked at this point, so we'll add rest of the ingredients. So that's the ginger, a little bit of chicken stock, fish sauce, so this will give saltiness to the dish, To balance out the fish sauce, we have a little bit of sugar, just about half a teaspoon. To give it a color, we have the turmeric, and then we'll keep the pickled garlic and the lime juice for the end. So let this cook for a minute. You can see the sauce has thickened. We'll add the pickled garlic. Let's taste it. It has a little bit of heat. The salt is good. So we'll add the lemon juice and then we'll taste it again just to make sure that that salt is still good. Yes, this is really good. There is now a lemon tartness from the lemon, and a little bit of heat is still lingering. Salt is good. I think we have a little bit of gravy which we wanted, so we can turn off the heat at this point and then serve it. We are ready to serve. So we have rice here. We put it in the bowl. And then we put some pork on top. And then to garnish it, we have a little bit of lemon and lime rinds. There you have it, pork curry, Thai style. Hope you enjoyed the video. Very short, very quick recipe. Please do make it. Thank you for watching. Bon appetit and see you tomorrow.